Intelliswift offers an accelerated migration tool, iMAX, which stands for Intelliswift Migration Tool for Apigee X, that helps customers migrate code artifacts to Apigee X from Apigee Edge. iMAX is an intuitive UI-based tool, which accelerates, automates, and facilitates the migration of API proxy code and related configuration from Apigee Edge to Apigee X. It also has an inbuilt Apigee Edge org assessment feature which generates a report and provides details of all the migratable APIs and related configuration. The report highlights entities that are either deprecated in Apigee X or cannot be migrated due to configuration limits on Apigee X. On launching iMAX UI, a user has to provide the access token for source org and target org along with the respective org name. The tool then downloads all the required configurations from Apigee Edge source org. Users can then generate a migration assessment report or start API migration. One can migrate APIs either by consumer apps or individual API proxy. On selection, the tool will showcase the list of API proxies and related configurations or the list of consumer apps and related dependencies. For example, if selected by consumer app, list include consumer apps from source org, its subscribed API products and API proxies bundled into it. The user can select the consumer apps to migrate. iMAX then evaluates the selected entities to migrate from source org. It provides the migration assessment details of selected migrated entities, including deprecated policies, API configuration out of Apigee X limits, policies that get refactored as part of the tool during migration, and list of other dependent configuration to migration along with API proxies. The user then segregates API proxies across the target environment on Apigee X. Since Apigee X has a limitation on a number of proxies and shared flows it can deploy to an environment, a counter on the UI denotes the number of proxies that already exist in the target Apigee X environment. You can click on Evaluate Target Org Post Mapping. Evaluate Target Org. The tool evaluates existing API proxies and configuration already deployed or available on the target organization. Next, click on View Conflicts to find the conflicts with target org. Conflicts. View conflicts show the conflicts between selected entities to migrate from source org to target org. The tool compares entities' names and display details of conflicted entities. At this moment, user can either continue to migrate or resolve conflict offline. The migration tool doesn't migrate any conflict entries to the target org. Pre-migration summary. All the entities which are selected for migration are shown in this screen. It also provides the option to skip KVM migration and migrate APIs without deployment. The user can then click the migration button and the tool will start migrating all the selected entities from source org without conflict to target org. Post completion of migration task, it provides the summary of migration with fail, pass, and exclude list on each entity. You can view logs to find more details related to the migration tasks for each entity. The user can also download the report of migrated entities. To start another iteration of migration, the user can click the iMAX logo. It will take to the home screen to begin the process again for migration. With iMAX, Apigee Saas users can migrate to new and next-gen platforms of choice, that is Apigee X, Apigee Hybrid seamlessly. iMAX allows businesses to overcome difficulties by leveraging an intelligent migration framework and automation solutions to fast-track their migration journey and save up to 30 to 50% on overall migration efforts. iMAX, Intelliswift migration tool for Apigee X.